Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily copy and paste text between two devices, so between your Mac and your iPhone or iPad. So for doing this you just need to go to settings, and in settings you need to choose general, and in general you need to find here AirPlay and handoff, and just turn on here on handoff, and just switch. If you see here a white color, it means that you need to turn on this option, and it will work. So just check it, and also you need to check it on your laptop. So just go to the settings, and in the settings you need to choose handoff, and you go to general and just choose option allow handoff. Use handoff for devices. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.